Hello, in this video we're gonna check the performance of a charger that comes with your Motorola Moto G82. So in order to do this, I bring this Gosun smart socket into which I'm gonna plug this charger, and after connecting it to the phone we should see the statistics of this charger. In this on this phone right here, there'll be statistics visible. So let's try that. So after plugging in, we should wait about 30 to 20 seconds, and the statistic right here will stabilize. So here they are. After 30 seconds they should be stable, and that's how it looks like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.